President of Sure Solutions, Inc. Transitioning from a management career in corporate banking, she now provides expert pest and termite services across Luzon and Visayas. Sure Solutions Pest Control Services is uniquely dual licensed as pest control operator and fumigator by both Fertilizer and Pesticide Authority and the Food and Drugs Administration. A BNI Eagles member since 2020 and our past president, Therese also serves on our membership committee. Outside of business, she is a dedicated homeschooling mom and a proud fur mom to many cats and dogs. Everyone, let's hear it from Miss Therese Beret.
Good morning, everyone. So before we start, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang ating photo from our recent POD. So looking at all the successful faces, can I request everyone to please show me your most beautiful smile? Show your shining white teeth with that smile. Nakatingin po si Doktora Ayen. Ayan,
Oh,
perfect.
yeah.
So bakit ko naman na-bring up sa inyo? Kasi, speaking of teeth, may question ako. May ngipin ba ang mga lamok? The answer is
Meron.
wala. Pero bakit paano naman natin nasabing nangangagat sila? Well, technically, hindi sila nangangagat. They pierce or nanunusok sila. So fact check, hindi lahat ng lamok ay nangangagat. Only the females do. Why? Because they need the protein and iron from our blood to produce their eggs. Kung titingnan nyo itong photo, it's not just one needle. It is a complex system of thin needles piercing your skin to find a blood vessel. So it's surgical, it's efficient, and honestly, nakakatakot. Ang next question ko, bakit may mga lamok sa bahay at opisina ninyo? Or bakit ikaw ang nilalamok? That is because may mga tao talagang lamukin. And that is according to your blood type. May mga lugar din na mataas ang carbon dioxide. So if you are breathing heavily or just finish a workout, magnet ka sa lamok. Mosquitoes are also attracted to dark colors at kumakapit din sila sa mga damit natin. Sa mga dark areas, yung mga garahe, under the table, yung mga sulok na madilim, or yung mga areas na walang sunlight. Mga breeding sites like stagnant water, even a small flower vase, this is a prime breeding site. And especially entry points. So a simple open door or windows are invitations for them to move in. Kaya naman, kung nilalamok ka, don't worry because we are here, Sure Solutions Pest Control Services. So we are beyond grateful to the Lord because we are celebrating our 10th anniversary this year. And as I always say, huwag nang mainis. I-refer mo na yan kay Therese. We feel so blessed to share this list of our partial clients with you. And the majority are referrals from BNI members over the last 6 years of my membership. And we are grateful that we continue to serve and care for these clients until now. Hindi lang lamok ang kaya naming solusyonan sa Sure Solutions Pest Control Services, kundi anay or termites. Kung kayo ay may anay problem sa inyong bahay, opisina, or warehouse, i-refer mo na yan. Kung kayo ay may ipis, may daga, may langgam, i-refer mo na rin yan. So now, balik tayo sa lamok. We provide professional grade treatments for indoors. We use specialized device to create a fine mist that reaches every corner without soaking your furniture. Kung outdoor naman, we use outdoor mist blowing. So for gardens and open areas, we use heavy-duty blowers to eliminate adult mosquitoes. Pero kung sobrang dami na ng lamok, we use thermal fogging. So we only recommend this for outdoor outbreaks or during dengue season. Now, if you want the most ideal and innovative solution for your home or office, I introduce to you our anti-dengue mosquito device. So our very own PP Sahir is already using this. So shout out to PPC. So what makes this special? So this is an alternative breeding site. It mimics the perfect place for a mosquito to lay eggs. It is the trap. So once they enter and the mosquito and the eggs are eliminated. It is eco-friendly. It is odorless. It uses no electricity and no batteries. It is safe, highly recommended if you have kids, elderly family members, or pets because we don't need to spray harsh chemicals inside the room. So Sure Solutions Pest Control Services is active in Metro Manila, Calabarzon, and we have strong presence in Western Visayas, specifically Iloilo, Aklan, and Capiz. And my referral asks kung kayo po ay may kakilala na business owner, purchasing managers, decision makers for industries in food, manufacturing, PESA companies, warehouses, condominium associations, homeowners, residential houses, or sa bahay mo. And my dream referral is an introduction to the management of Sicogon Resort in Iloilo or any hotels in Boracay. So again, this is Therese of Sure Solutions Pest Control Services. Have a pest-free 2026. And remember, peace be with you.
Thank you so much, PP Therese, for that enlightening presentation.